Alright, Bauer Caulk Gun. They didn't even have it out on the shelf yet. I had to go in the back and get it. Actually, there we go. There it is. And I'm about to go use it. Comes with these things. Clip, which are actually handy. Goes right there. Put zip test. Okay, well, this is it. That's some OSI Quad Max Clear. We're gonna put in this exterior trim. We've cut the tip. Little handle here. You can push it up against that snug, and then it's set to go. Takes a little bit to pump through. When you stop, you can hear that go in reverse. So I'll put out, non-drip. Let's see what this does for you. Get away from me. I actually have it on the slowest setting, least pressure. Do one more.